Hi guys, welcome back. And today we are going to do a video of how Nifty and Bank Nifty can go ahead and behave tomorrow. And today's price action, there's a lot to learn in today's price action. So we'll just go through it. Okay. So basically, if you look at this is a 30-minute chart of Bank Nifty, and very clearly we could see that this was the top resistance for Bank Nifty, and then again it consolidated yesterday here, and finally it spent a lot of time here today, but ultimately it broke out of this particular channel and is trading in this particular range now. Now, very likely the way tomorrow is going to play out is that if the opening is going to be in the gap up, you will very likely start seeing resistance at the 33,800 area. Why? Because there is a lot of volume that is getting built here and here, if you can see this. Okay. If it opens, let's say, gap down, then there is a very good possibility that can start cascading down to this particular area. Why? Because this is where the maximum volume was. Okay. And here was a complete one side rally. And remember that you know using market profile and volume profile, the way it works is that wherever there is insane volume, those areas will act as resistance, and then at the bottom, wherever there are higher volumes, those would act as support. Okay. So very likely this is going to be a range bound market, unless if the US market starts selling off, then we can see that it will start cascading down. Okay. So let's look at Nifty, what has happened. So let me just quickly refresh this. It's going to take a while. Okay, so the data is back. All right. So very similar scenario with Nifty 15,000, which was a psychological level to be crossed. It did cross 2 days back with a huge gap up. It consolidated, crashed today. Okay. So very likely 15,000 is going to act as a very crucial resistance, and then it can very likely continue to cascade down. Again, very similar concepts where it would start, you know, building a lot of volume at the lower levels than on the higher levels. So it is very unlikely that 15,000 will be crossed tomorrow itself, and then we will start seeing a rally. I mean, that is a possibility. I'm not saying no, but the possibility of that happening is very unlikely. Okay, but I'm not saying it is impossible. It is definitely possible. Okay, but if it opens here, then very likely your first support that you can see is around 14,840, which is around in the futures levels, and then the next area can be here, which will be 14,753. Okay, so let's look at what's happening on the option chain, because this would give us a very good understanding of where are all the positions being built. So let's look at Nifty first. So Nifty, if you look at it, insane amount of call writing that has happened on 15,000 and 15,100, but you don't see a very similar writing that has happened on the put side. Put side, it seems like it's very sparse. The highest that happened was on 14,000, which is really far. So we will have to keep this in mind, and let's see if there was any action on the 3rd of June. So on 3rd of June, again, there is a lot of put writing that has happened at 14,100 levels, very interesting, and 14,200 levels, but a lot of call writing that has happened on the higher levels. So basically, looking at the option chain data, it seems like the market can continue selling off tomorrow as well. So let's look at Bank Nifty now. So Bank Nifty, if you look at this, insane amount of call volume. So there is call writing here, and then you see some kind of put writing that has happened at 33,000. Okay, and The next one that is highest is at 32,000, which is really, really far off. Okay, but look at the amount of green bars here that were built, which means that there is some uh, pressure towards the downside. Okay, but if you look at the max pain, it is still at 33,500, which means that it is fairly balanced. So we'll have to wait and watch how the first hour of trade kind of turns out tomorrow, and then we will decide as to what is the direction of trade. And let's look at the 3rd June data. Again, very, very indecisive on Bank Nifty. There are huge towers being built here on the call side, and then on the put side there is some kind of support that might come in at 33,000. So this looks like, okay, we don't know whether it's going to fall off or it'll continue up. We'll have to see how the market behaves on the price action levels tomorrow, and take positions. So hopefully you had a good expiry day, and if you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. And I plan to cover a lot of concepts on volume profile, order flow, um, trading in general, and a lot of topics. So if you want a certain topic to be covered, please drop in your comments, and I'll be happy to cover those topics in my future videos. All right. Thank you so much, guys, and stay safe. And hopefully, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.